Hello everyone, we are using the data visualization tool Tableau to work on the second visualization assignment. Here this is the data source panel. Here you can see the files we used. We had two complementary data sources. One is the details of the police killings, and the second is the population statistics of each American state. And to join these two tables, you can just drag one file to this panel and add to specify on which key they should join. Okay, and here this is the data source panel. You can see all the fields and records of the file. Okay, let's go to the process of our work. We first did some general analysis on the overview of the data. Here's the gender ratio. It's a simple pie chart. It's quite easy to make. You can also move the mouse over to see some other details of the data. The second is another pie chart of the race information of all the victims. As you can see, almost half of them are white people, and second largest group is the black, and followed by Hispanic and Latino. And also you can add which labels to show on this graph by drag and drop, for example, the month to the label. Now that doesn't really make any sense because victims might come from different months. But if you move your mouse over this pie chart, you can actually see the segments of different months. And this is the bar chart of the showing how many victims died. Oh no, sorry. Showing whether the victim was with weapon or not, and the types of weapon. It's a simple bar chart, nothing special. This is another bar chart showing the cause of the death. There are 5 different causes. One of them is unknown. And here it's a distribution of the ages of the victims. One thing to notice that the age is grouped by different bins, so to make this histogram meaningful. Otherwise you would have many really thin lines sticking out, and it just doesn't make much sense. And this is I don't know how to call it, but we call it the bubbles graph, in which you can visualize how many victims were killed by different law enforcement agencies. And again, you can drag and drop the labels to show, and also we use the functionality of the colors to emphasize on the agency that killed most of the people. So basically the darker blue means it killed more people. Oh yeah, and also we added a filter to filter out to emphasize on the most brutal law enforcement agencies. So basically, if they killed more than 2 people, then they are visualized. And this is just a sheet of the box plots on the ages. Here we can see the youngest victim, and also the oldest, and also the first, second, and third quantiles. And this is a combination of tree maps and bar chart. This is really useful since it encodes multiple dimensions of data into one graph. Here you can see the total number of victims per race, and also where they died: California, Texas, Arizona. And this is again a tree map with a bar chart showing the cause of death. As you can see, most of them died from gunshot. America really needs some gun control laws. Is it gun control laws? Firearm control laws. And this is another bar chart. What's special about it is that there are 2 y-axes. So on the left it is the total number of victims. On the right it is the total population of each state. So here we can say the higher population the state has, and the more killings it happened in that state. Yeah, you can do this by just drag and drop one more dimensions on this field, and click on do access. Yeah, here it is already clicked, and then you can select the encoding of different measures. Here I use bar for the number of victims and line for the total population. And here, yeah, it's again a tree map with bar chart. So this is a scatter plot, which is used to find out the correlation between the share of white people in one tract and the killing rate. You can do a lot of things here. You can specify the size. The more people killed in this tract, the bigger the size. You can also change the color based on the amount of people killed. So here is tract. You can actually change it to the count of people. Oh shit, something wrong. Wait, I'll do that by doing this, I think. Change it to count, and then change it to color. Whoa, I don't know, it worked. Yeah, I'll just keep this.
Just talk about the time.
Okay. Yeah, this is another correlation. Oh yeah, one more thing. What the tableau is really powerful. You can define. You have user-defined calculations here. Yeah, we added the national level of the share of Hispanic people, and you can also filter out. We filtered out the tracks that have too high killing rate. This is another scat plot. Oh yeah, in Tableau you can actually add the join, where is it? Analysis joint lines. You can show regression line to help you understand the correlation. Yeah, then this is another one. I'm pretty sure we can change the color. I did it. Name, count, color. I don't know. Oh, okay. Because okay, now it shows. Yeah, the darker blue means there are more people killed. Okay, so this is what we did for this assignment. I hope you enjoyed our video. And and this is a really interesting topic. If you like, you can use the data sources mentioned in the report to conduct your own analytics. Thank you very much.